Hi, welcome to #homemade. In this video, I'm going to show how to make mixed vegetable pickle. Here is a list of the ingredients. Oil 6 tablespoons, 1 big green chili, ginger 2 inches, salt as per taste, 1 carrot, 1 lemon, cauliflower cut into florets about half a cup, green chili paste 4 teaspoons, mustard seed powder 4 tablespoons, 1 green mango. First, wash the vegetables and chop the carrots and mango into big cubes. Cut the cauliflower into tiny florets. Cut the green chili in thick circles and the ginger into very small pieces. Now set these aside and let them completely air dry for some time. Now take 1 cup of mustard seeds and grind them into fine powder. Take 15 small green chilies and make them into a paste by adding few drops of lemon juice. Do not add water. Now set this aside. Take a bowl and add all the vegetables into it. Add 3 tablespoons of mustard seed powder, 3 teaspoons of green chili paste and some salt. Now mix it well. Now add half a lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of oil. Now mix it again. Now check the taste and add more salt if needed. If you want it to be more spicy, add green chili paste. At last, add 3 more tablespoons of oil and mix it. This will help in preserving the pickle. Cover it loosely and let it sit for about 1.5 days. Then it's ready to be served. You can have this with idli, dosa or any South Indian tiffins. You can store this for up to 1 month if refrigerated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates on more videos.